Have you ever felt stuck in life? Felt like there's something holding you back? You're being held back by something, you just can't seem to accomplish your goals. You feel like you're not making any progress towards the purpose that you have in life, like you feel empty. That's exactly how I felt this entire year. I had countless nights throughout this entire year where I couldn't sleep just thinking that this is it. Like, this is Ahmad's story ending right here. Like, I can't seem to move on and just become a better version of myself. I feel so stagnant. I had constant fear of losing things, constant fear of letting others down, and I was like, yeah, I've already let everyone down. Like, this is it. I've become complacent. I had so much fear of not being good enough, of doing things that are just not good enough. I'm not performing good enough. That was the fear that I had. And let me tell you, that takes all the hope away from you. That makes you feel like you've become so distant to God. You feel like you're pushing everyone away from your family, your friends, and everything. And I literally like almost ended a couple of my friendships just because I didn't have enough motivation to keep a bond. Like I felt like I just want to be left alone. This is how I felt for an entire year, mentally drained. I realized something a few days ago, something clicked in my mind that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. You know, I had goals set for myself for this entire year. And now, because of that one thing that just clicked in my mind, I've started making more progress toward those goals. Once again, I feel like all the confidence, everything that I ever lost has started to come back better than ever before. My relationships with my parents, my siblings, my friendships have started to improve exponentially. I feel like my mind has been set free. I can't describe this feeling. It's like a blissful state of mind. But what happened? How did my life make this immediate 180-degree turn? Where everything in life seems so hopeless and dark, now it feels full of light, feels bright, feels amazing. What happened? Now I know the truth. You know what the reason was that I felt like I'm being held back? The reason I felt so stuck? It's a simple saying, a simple quote. You can't control the wind, but you can adjust your sail. Live by this. What this means is basically you cannot control what happens to you. You cannot control the circumstances, the environment, and everyone around you. What you can control is how you react to it. You can't control what other people do to you, but you can control who you keep in your life. You know, some people are just like leeches. They hang on to you like parasites. They take everything that they want from you, and then they neglect your needs. They completely neglect you. They leave you with nothing. Yeah, I had to let go of those types of people. That's what was holding me back. And one other thing, bro, your mind, you will hate your mind after this, right? Your mind is actually not on your side. Your mind tricks you. It feeds lies into you. It makes you believe in things that take away power from you. It takes power away from you and gives it to the environment, the circumstances, the situations, and the people around you. Once I realized that I am the master of my mind and my mind is not my master, then I felt like I'm free. I'm not a slave to these lies anymore. You know what I had to do? I had to put myself first. If you don't put yourself first, no one or nothing else will. Let me say that again, bro. If you don't put yourself first, no one or nothing else will. And so now you've neglected yourself. That's what I did for an entire year. I had to put myself first. I had to stop letting circumstances get to my head. Stop giving other people power, otherwise they'll abuse it. You give anyone a bit of power over you and they'll abuse it. Power means their thoughts, their opinions start to affect the way you act, the way you think, and the way you feel. I stopped caring about what other people think and started caring more about what I feel and what I think and what I want to do. You must realize that at the end, it's only you and God. Everyone leaves. And God will teach you that lesson one day or another, that you have no one except Him, bro. No matter how close of a friend you have, don't rely upon anyone. Just only rely upon God. Even if it has to cross the 7 seas to get to you, whatever it is for you will be for you. Don't hang on to things that are not for you, that are not right for you. There's no value in that. Whatever someone did to hurt you, whatever circumstance happened to you, let go of it, forget about it. Let go of someone that takes away your peace. No matter how close of a friend that you have, if you feel like he's taking away your peace, then no matter whatever they offer you, whatever they give you, no matter how they make you feel, it's not worth it. I spent a year trying to realize this. Listen, you will regret it later if you don't say goodbye to them. I know it might be hard, but you have to let go of things that hold you back. This is how you find peace. This is how you start focusing on yourself. Let go of things that take away your peace. It might be hard to just say goodbye, but that's how you find peace. Don't even think about what someone may have done to hurt you after you've let them go. Let them go, choose your peace, and after that, there's no value, there's no point. It doesn't matter to you at all. Whatever they did to you, stop thinking about it. It's a waste of time and energy. There's a lesson in this, guys, and everything. I never lose. I only learn. You must have that mindset. You're never losing anything. You're only learning. Everything's a learning experience. I can't change the wind, but I can adjust my own sail. I let go of people that were holding me back. Things that were holding me back. The environment that may have been holding me back. I can't change that, but I can change what's inside. I can't let what is outside me get inside. Because once it gets to your mental, it's over, bro. Listen, the only thing that matters is your peace and the happiness of people who believe in you. Respect yourself and those people that believe in you by letting go of things that hold you back. They're counting on you. Your parents, your siblings, your brothers, your sisters, your best friends. They're counting on you. They believe in you. And above all, that younger you that you made the promises to. Don't break those promises. Don't become complacent. Just because something bad happened to you, now you're dwelling upon it and you're like, oh no, I just can't do anything. I just have to deal with this. No. Let it go. Let things go. Move on. This winter is not the time to make your comeback. This is when you regain everything you've lost and become better than ever before. Prove everyone that ever doubted you wrong. It took me a year to realize that I had to let go of people and things that were holding me back. You can do this overnight, today. Be smart. Don't regret it later, bro. You got this and I believe in you. Take care, man. Ma'as salam.